big daughter. A long time me not hear from you. What happened to you? Make you not call me.
Oh, sorry, mommy. No, I just been busy and stuff. You okay though?
Boy, me half it okay now because me hear your voice. I'm glad to see your face. Me think you're sick. Lucky thing them have sick name FaceTime. By the way, you know say a long time you not send no money for me.
Oh gosh, I'm working on it, mommy.
And when are your flight date?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to be there for next week, but I'm text you later with the details.
Me need you to pick up some nice stuff for me, like some nice dress and nice shoes. You hear?
I got you.
Okay.
Any color in particular you like, or type, or brand, or?
Look here. Anything we no have no name on him, me no want it. So just take up the things then when you know if you take up. You understand?
Alright, I got you, bougie. Okay, just stay safe. Love you too.
Okay. Bye. Alright then.
How about the work? I'm the doctor for what you.
Okay. Alright, thank God you come because the next gardener gone, you know. So me happy if you know say you come back. You ready for work? You can start right now.
We're ready.
Yeah, you can start at 8:30 in the morning.
No problem, man.
Alright,
I'm
then.
disappointed. I'm gonna go down there and see what can be done.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah man, so I like how you cut it and it look good so far. So here what? You see peg? I love the fact that you move the peg and put it over there so. Just make sure so you make the peg stay up this way there, because we are trying to take as much as the land as we can take in. So just finish go and clean up and we just go and watch and see what I go and in. So just go and do what you do.
Come in, the general.
So you see I go on now, bossy?
I don't quite remember fully, you know, but I feel so on the pass the mark, you know. Because from up that side there, I don't think if it comes so far down on the foot of the hill, so they try to up that side is. So maybe they have something wrong with the peg or something, but I need to check it. Because if I youth there clean up so, I think I don't down too far.
You know, so we don't move down peg. Same place where we see peg, we just cut and I just say end up, we don't move nothing. So probably the best thing what you need to do, I get few people and come measure it over.
That's a word, man, we figure it out. But you no go though?
Yeah man, we just go and clean up and get the place ready. Yo, oh stop. You are going. You see peg where you move, me want you go for and come put it back here so. Before you see it, so go for it and come put it here so.
Yeah, I saw you missed call, but I ended up on the road there, started some land business, you know what I mean? So I just finished now. So what's up? What are you doing?
I'm just chilling right now. I actually just left the mall getting some stuff for my mom and things.
Differently though, me and you been talking for so long and now I don't see a picture of you.
I'm in Jamaica soon, so...
You're coming to Jamaica?
I'm sorry, because I'm coming to Jamaica soon.
But try and see if you can send me a picture though, you know what I mean? I would like to see who I'm talking to. I'm gonna recognize you when you come to Jamaica, you know what I mean? I know that you say you're shy and all this thing.
I'll
Yeah.
let you know it's me.
So apart from that, you're good though.
Yeah, I'm okay.
So I'm going back home now, so as soon as I get some time when I'm home, I'll call you back. But if my wife is there, you know, I won't be calling you back until she fell asleep in the night. I'll call you, okay?
Alright.
Can we face talk tonight?
If you want to.
I will see
You're
your
not gonna
face.
get in trouble.
I would like to see your face though.
Alright.
I'm gonna see your face.
Maybe, we'll see.
Alright, so. Alright, I'm gonna go home now. Because I come over some errands. Try to get some land sell and things, so we talk soon though. I love your voice, I love your body, but I want to see your face. Alright, so we'll do that later. Alright?
Alright, babe.
Alright, stay sweet, baby girl.
You too.
You never know say walk, you go walk.
No, I can't exercise in the slippers, man. Because I couldn't have to go put on the shoes there now.
Maybe they know say people no train in a or walk or jog in a slippers. And you look how much sneakers you have.
Yeah, man, but that good though. I still say me get some exercise in, and this soldier something is making me sweat, so that's good. And me get some
Me too.
exercise in.
Burn off all the calories. Look, see me sweat. Me hot. Anyway, I never remember if you tell you say my daughter did call me, you know. The one that way overseas. She go come next week. But just make you know, come now and she just appear up so you say, well, me never make you away right.
Oh, when she come, that's good, man. You know what I mean? She have family, you know. Or your daughter. But that one, they look, because I see her on picture when you're not turn up, look like she bigger than you. When you have that one, you know how much?
You know, say me have her very young. Me have her when me a 12-year-old. That's why she look like she bigger than me.
Alright, that good though. But anyway, you know, say a new housekeeper come today because something wrong with some people from my country. She gone back home. That was Susan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so our new girl supposed to come this morning. You know what I mean? Come do an interview for Star World.
So why they always come to you with whatever problem they into and they not say it to me?
Because most of the time you know you're just kind of aggressive and then free to talk to you.
Okay.
You understand?
Alright,
So
that means me go start act better then.
just calm down and talk to
Yeah,
them
me go
normal.
calm down.
Morning, Freya. Morning, Miss.
Morning.
I am Alicia. I'm here about the helper work. I had an interview this morning.
You look a bit early though, but I like that. You know what I mean? Come inside, we have come off for the road. Come. Alright, so how old are you?
I am 21.
Why do you want to work for us?
Well, I would like to send back myself to school, but in order to do that, I will have to get a job, so that is the reason why I applied for the job.
You have a resume? Some parts?
Yes, I do.
Check this and see. Alright, so are you an honest person?
Yes.
You have a thief nothing before?
No, sir.
You ever lie?
Yes.
You can't get to work then. You lie with a thief. Show me a job here, man. But my wife have some questions to ask you. I'm just kidding with you, girl. Alright, ask her some questions after.
Okay, hi again. Have you done 2-year experience of working with those couple?
Well, the previous couple that I was working with, I was with them for 5 years.
5?
Yes.
Thought you said 2. The current one or previous one? Which one?
Previous.
Okay, cool. No problem.
So why did you leave that job though?
Well, the previous couple got divorced because the husband caught the wife cheating.
Oh.
So that is the reason.
Who them that cheated though? Me kinda inquisitive.
Well, the wife was cheating with the yard man.
So
And
who
the
you were
husband.
cheating with?
I wasn't cheating with anyone.
Can you start working today?
Yes, no problem.
Alright, what we pay over the minimum wages. 50% above the minimum wages. Because we believe in people getting money. You know what I mean? So you do your work good, we give you bonus. And our house, treat it like it's your home, away from home. So you work and keep the place clean. Anything else you hear where it's not mine or my wife own, you can have it. You know what I mean? Ensures that my daughter there, she's kind of lazy. You know what I mean? So in that case, you have to look about some food for her. You don't know when she there live with her mother never teach her how to do anything. So now she will lay on her bed and not eat no food. You know what I mean? Because she just lazy. If no matter about it, I'm going to send her to a restaurant to get some food. So please, like you're there, cook something for her, make she eat. You know what I mean? So if I don't have for your picnic, Alright, so anything else on?
Okay, I think we should start her off like a trainee because we have no idea how much she can do in her work. Like a temporary, not permanent right now.
So thanks for coming. I'm sure your kitchen. Come on this way.
Candy.
Little girl, as from today, make it be the first and the last, you say Candy. Me and you is not size. Me coulda be your mother. Look, by the way, look here. I true me and your mother make you feel so you can talk to me anyhow. I am your stepmother and you need to talk to me with respect. You hear me? Make it be the first and the last, you say Candy. Is either you say Auntie Candy or Miss Candy, whatever. X out the Candy, me and your size. You understand?
Yes, Miss Candy.
Where did come to me if you talk to me? But
Oh yeah, me did for ask you. Though so now me at 16, don't me can't have a boyfriend?
so you want to start have sex now? You know, say nothing.
Yeah.
Yes. Sex is not for your age. Older than you. Even though sex is for everybody, but under your time yet. You will get pregnant, a man with this one your pitney. You can have unprotected sex and catch disease. You understand? Me say if you understand. Don't shake your head off for me.
Yes, Miss Candy.
Okay. You did mention this to your father?
No.
No. Well, this too rough for me alone deal with. Me and your father are going to talk about this.
No, Miss Candy. Miss Candy, me nobody want have sex.
You see, the next time you come to me with them the kind of argument there, make sure say you have it in your head, say me and your father are going to talk about this. Because you don't reach your age yet. I don't know you think about sex already. Anyway, me I go up on the road and make sure say you stay in the yard and stop call them friend because I don't know what them tell you saying what you tell them saying no to Gina go and make your father take away phone from you to out of that. Right. Joe, I don't understand how you come from morning and you don't call me, I know say you're outside.
I don't want to wake up, ma'am, so I just sit down, and go and look out.
Call me.
True.
Like when I come out here now and come see you sit down and it look like a long time you come and not doing anything. I need you to take up them wood here for me and put them one side.
As soon as I done pay the bill, ma'am, I take no problem.
Alright then.
Morning. What you saying him again?
Alicia,
You have a which?
21.
So you go work here long?
All depends. Oh, you want me to stay?
Yeah, you look nice.
Thanks. How is school you go?
Mona.
Oh, you still got date now?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I find a little boyfriend it. No, no young girls stay no.
No?
You can't tell me now to the father or your stepmother.
No.
Alright, anything you say?
So you have a boyfriend too?
No.
Oh, why?
I don't want no boyfriend. Yet.
Why?
I just recently got out of a relationship.
Oh, him give you a bun.
Yeah.
So you did beat the girl?
No. And all the time I must beat the girl there. Sometimes my man need to get licked. Because sometimes if my man they not go lucky girl, they not come near a man.
That's true.
Yeah.
Well, hope you get a nice boyfriend.
Just make sure say you go to school and take an education. Because when me I go to school, anyway boy up in the end me gone. I don't go no class. So that's why I work now. I clean people dirty house. I just try to save so I can set myself at school and to see if I can get one better job or do something for myself. When I go to school, everywhere boy up in the end me dey. No school. All my parents said me go. I go to no school.
So me can ask you something? So what you do, like dance?
No, I'm not done. When I go to school, it was just my mother alone. She never really have it, but I have to go to school same way.
If your mother never have it, why you never just do your work and stay in a school?
So I go to school, and the man I used to par with, I be a hype car then drive. I be a cock up foot pan, dashboard, KFC, Burger King every day. So I never really had time for school because I love a hype life. When I go to school, I be shortest uniform, best set of shoes, handbag, everything. So back in the days, you know, say you hype and you know for a girl them in school and have them there something there. So back in the days, you never really had think about pay for subject, go to school and then so they just want to know say you eat and all of them so you party, you gone all over the place, big house with pool and all of them is something there.
No offense, I don't want to end up like you.
I will tell her move them, daddy.
Your wife, sir.
It look like a she have got to start tell her to do things. Can you see a red bag there? The red bag is move from when? For we tear down the part and fix up part, them things I have to try to fix up already, but I don't know where they are do so many times. But anyway, you just start work still, so. Mad up, but move that left though. Today. Get that out of the way today. You know what I mean, and do what you do. What part of my wife there?
You know, say she gone on the road, sir.
But you good though?
Yeah, man.
You go on, you see, you go on with some work. So you want to get where you drink?
Anything, sir.
Alright, see your money, go buy yourself a drink. You know what I mean? Alright, do what you do. Hope say, I'm not talking about the lady, you know, when she at work, you know.
No man, she just keep me company.
Go and get something at the shop. Get me a Guinness and get a water for yourself. Don't buy the shop nearby though, so. More you go way around so, a corner. Go buy something, just take a time and take a time, don't walk fast on the road. Yeah, nobody near one. Alright, go on and come. I tell you about these kids them. Them things they on them size. I said deal for your parents them now when they're younger?
No.
You can't say morning.
What?
I could be your father.
You wish?
I should have take that money there from your hand.
This is not your monthly salary, that's why you want to take this.
Don't worry your head. You soon get what you look for. A spice you want, a spice you can get.
What's your name?
Tasha.
So which part run say you come from?
You don't know the big house that they run this out. The big blue house.
How old are you though?
19.
19. You know 19 though?
But just small in a body, me a 19.
Mm.
So where you live? I never had seen you before.
So you never hear about me before?
No?
Eh. You see the apartment over there, sir? And the one around there, sir?
Hmm?
And me own them. Yeah man, all of them I used to run this and I own them.
Oh, that means you have money. So
Well,
you don't want me no more, I could have helped you and nothing.
Yeah man, cause all of them run this off. I feel me them.
Yeah.
So Tasha. Nice to meet you, Tasha. I don't want to get you in any trouble with your little man, you know, because these little boys are jealous nowadays. So take care of yourself, yeah?
You too.
Alright.
When smaller difference, but talking about business though, that's so interesting. Alright. So you like it here though?
Yeah, man.
I like people that, I know, me myself is very observant. I will go offer you something to drink. Why didn't you take it?
Me not gonna take it if me don't want it.
But listen me now. I feel like when I offer you something, you should take it. Because there's things I want to offer you. For the first time I was interviewing you, my wife was there, so I couldn't say a thing to you. But me I tell her, say, me have things say half of you. But me want you take. Me don't want when me offer you things, I say, if you don't want it or not, you take it. Do something with it. Because of my time, I feel better giving you something than you even receiving it. You know what I mean? Some just want to have that thing there for me if you have a relationship like that. Get down to business. I offer you things, you take it. You understand? You don't want things out of life.
Well, on all the while, they say if you don't want it, you don't take it. You're not going to take some of the things and waste it.
You come along with things, with things like different fire pay. You know what I mean? Different fire pay. So that is just a little thing. Just think about it in the meantime. Here, I'll go get. We talk about it. But I like how the place look and clean. And whatever we say to you, my wife know about it. Between me and you. Alright?
Alright.
Listen to yourself in front. Now teach a lesson, you must learn. Hello, stop raking. Remember that talk. Listen me now. You see that you can silver them when you put them in a market place and save them. Right? Alright, so you go up on the road, you alright though? Hopefully you behave yourself, you know. And you go stop your cousin from coming over here, you know. Because I don't want to influence you and give you no man. You hear me? Because I see my bleach out himself, I put on him tattoo and the boy, I turn big man, you know. So I don't want him saying, okay, I'm friend them. None of my friends come over here, you know. Only friend can come as one girlfriend. Don't play with me. Go on inside and I left out a yard. But anyway, look for me and talk to you, no girl. I don't want you to look for me and talk to you. I want you to learn something. So here and now, I will touch you and now. Go on inside and don't left out of the yard. You hear me? Because I don't want you carry on belly in here before time. Anytime you carry one belly come, when you must have a roof over your own head. You push your own key. You know what I mean? I mean, talk bully beef, tin, key. Alright, go on in. You alright, sir?
Yeah, man.
You buy liquor ready for yourself, something to drink?
Yeah.
Because your nice son is dangerous. Hear me say now, remember to move the red bag there. If it's too heavy, you pull it and drag you under. So when the garbage truck pass the top, you make the two eye boy them, give them a little change and help you put in a truck back. You hear me? Alright, I'm going on the road. Lock off the yard, you know.
Yeah, man. You can't take all the time you want for the road. Let's take all the time.
And the little red boy, where I come, for my daughter cousin, I don't want him over here, you know.
Anything else about
But I not ban him yet. But no make him no man friend over here. Him and cousin saying can come here But I don't like the boy and the boy represent. He carry man run up on my daughter.
Alright, bossy.
So you know, you get an extra assignment. No man no fi come in my yard. Differently from if you look a cousin can come, but apart from that, no man no fi come in my yard. Different from look a red boy carrying cousin. But apart from that, I get assignment to watch that out. Make sure.
No man, let's take all the time you want on the road. No, you don't have to come back, you know. All the time you want.
Alright.
All the time in the world.
Oh, go Mario.
Yo, yeah, man. I'm there, dog. You know, say, around there, some day a while ago, I see one little girl a pass. Little and neat to still. You see me? Just have to tell her, run a lie code upon him, tell him, say, I want 2 apartment, and he buy a story. But, tell him, say, I'm a big chopper. Yeah, I tell her, say, yo, she tell me she live somewhere down on the road, dog. Somewhere down here, so. I tell me, say, her name Tasha.
No, sir. I lie tell. Tasha, I'm a cousin, you know. I don't know me, I go good on there.
What you say?
Yeah, man.
Are you cousin?
Yeah, I'm a real cousin.
So hold on. I want him live down there.
Yeah, I don't like King in the man.
Brother, I don't really want to come down here people in place and ain't getting in trouble, you know.
Yo, from me apart, everything covered. Forward.
No man. Oi. Bro man, you can't go on. Big zip, can't come in the man yard.
Brother, who you?
Me the man of the yard. Me get a strict order, you can't go in there.
Man, I reach yard. Brother, you know me.
You walk up like you're Bill Gates.
How this a little nigga, yeah?
Yo, boy. I saw him eating sometime, you know. But if King say he can't come in, so he go. But here, so forward.
So brother, I really care coming down so if you make this a boy I feel like he can stab me. Hey boy, you know how me? Boy, you better know how
Listen to me, I don't want to know your father and your father generation. And your pint gun finger, alright. Give a gun finger, can shoot. Join him. Yo, me know why you kill no man come back in man yard. I'm here in man yard, and you know that. Don't kill no man in man yard. I just feel a good boy, I'm not going to tell the boss, you know. But go and go eat your food.
I can't afford dinner, I'm going to eat in the man.
It no matter, eat food. Why, look here, see, man.
Tasha! Yeah!
Oh, boy.
May I come there?
Alright.
I'm going, cuz.
Go on, Tasha.
Yeah.
You know, for me, I walk from, you don't know water in the fridge, can give me some.
They never say no water in the fridge.
Chaja. Guess what happened a while ago?
What?
You know, some I found with Mario a while ago. And the dirty yard boy out there, so. I raised up him man a while ago.
The girl no man out there, so?
Yeah.
I don't like that man there, no? Every day I see him coming and chatting with me like, say me and him a friend or I like him. I don't like him. By the way, which friend that?
You know Mario?
Mario. Yes, Mario. Oh. I'm going to get the yard boy they fired. I'm going to ask daddy to fire him. Because him don't fit out there. Him don't do work. Him don't do nothing. So him don't deserve to be out there.
Yeah, man. The yard boy have get fired.
For real. So where your friend there?
You know, saying the other bill. Come to me soon forward.
Oh. Hold on, let me get a call.
Yes, mother.
Hello?
Batman, are you there?
Mom from my yard.
But I know some man in me try to call your phone and I not get you. So
Girl, my phone did dead from last
I
night.
can't get this appointment, you know.
My phone did dead from last night and I did just take it up.
Alright, so anyway, still, I just found my way come, so I just want to make a clarification if they want me.
Oh yeah, you can come.
Alright, then I come.
Yeah. So yeah.
So, cuz, which girl that?
You know my friend. You want her?
Really?
Yeah.
Yo, more line up a thing for me, you know.
She walk come down here right now.
Make sure I do it, you know.
Me I did feel.
Alright, I'm not gonna.
Wow.
Good evening, Tasha is here.
I would do anything for you, man. I tell you, you're beautiful.
I'm asking Tasha the
Oh, Tasha, the feisty one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's inside.
I can call her for me, please.
No, you have to go out. Me and I don't mesh. She's there. You're welcome anytime, here.
Tasha!
Why now? Put your damn bossy wife.
Tasha!
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I call her. Don't ever hear you. So what? In there. Get enough man. I'm up and I'm hungry. I cook no food.
You know, Daddy, I want to help her run this and she cook some dumpling. You want none?
What you cook?
Dumpling. You want us?
Aye, do your thing. I don't want too much, just one dumpling I want. And you don't cook no else. Just dumpling alone, pay dumpling.
This is not foreign. A one meal.
Do your thing, me I wait.
That's your face.
Good evening, how are you?
You man, I know, say I'm your Tasha cousin, Ricky.
So first, me I see you.
You know, so I don't really come out because I don't want to sun burn out my color. That's why I'm staying.
Lord, I take long with the food to come like I remember dead before me eat something.
And she run this a girl. You close up door already. Yeah, you know, waste no time, you know. Oh, no.
Money down, what go on, daddy?
You know, me have something to tell you. Remember, say me and you are the only man for beating at the yard. No other man no fi come here unless your cousin. You know, say your cousin can man come here.
Over cousin?
The
My daughter cousin?
yeah. Can man come here if he come collect your daughter out of the yard?
But what you do?
Me have to draw the whole of our weapon, all the water.
But no man not get to come in here though.
No.
Because my daughter may try bring her up the right way. So you see, you have to work like this now, you know say you can't get fire. Because you have to, I'm more extra ensure say I give you extra bonus for your pay.
What you mean? I'm like how you put a little bonus for
What
me
give you a
money.
bonus for your pay?
You that me a talk about. What you mean? Go on through me, boss. Everything good.
Yeah man, everything good.
Aye.
How go on here, son? Daddy, how go on? Come here, have a reason there. Hear me I say to you now, brown man. I know say you're my daughter cousin and you can't visit her. But when you catch him at time I dust up a crawl long, you find a boundary. You know what I mean? And I never get to tell you. Hope you're not carrying no man won't introduce to my daughter.
No, boss, me not do that.
Yeah, cause me I try to make sure say she reach the age where she can push out and have everything what she have. But me realize say everyone in the lane, every young girl I breed up. I know my daughter follow the same trend. So make sure say nah line up on no man, you know. But me just say that, I don't know if you agree, but say that though, but everything is good though. You good?
Yeah, alright, man.
See your money, you go buy yourself a drink. You're a family. See your money, you buy yourself a 50 bag. Because I know some young youth don't love no weed.
What's that for joke, man?
You know some work?
50 bag.
Yes, 50 bag.
Look what I give one of them blue money there.
I not enough money for bunny. Dog.
Money there.
Alright.
So where bro man gone?
I said them go and get something, go and get something. But, good day. First, may I see you? Yo, you must know, little girl. Oh, you have the guests and not to get no drinks. You have drink? Alright, get her something to drink there. Go and get this, your friend, Arizona, and keep the change.
How you go?
You send me out?
Me not have to send you out.
Sorry.
Where you going?
Sorry, no?
Remember say the boss and
Sorry.
I want shop here go, man. Shop here go. Alright.
I'm not the one to beat around bush, you know, or bushes. You know what I mean? I'm a businessman. I speak what on my mind. I'm like how you look and think, you know what I mean? And I can tell there's some magnetism when I look in your eye, you know what I mean? And it's lovely. So I think I can be your sugar zazzy.
I'm not really too familiar with the sugar zazzy business.
In other terms, you know what I mean? I can take care of you.
That sounds interesting. But if you could do a thing, I want Tasha to know what go on.
I got me think I gone already, no, G.
Yo, I need to tell myself to wait, brother. I wait me there, I wait, because I just wait for her to just come out to me. See her, but you see a little yard boy, I can't take them on the style and that. Try show up man thing a while ago.
Yo, bro. Talk to my cousin, I sound like everything governing, bro. I'm gonna pray, cuz.
Mario.
Hi.
You know what? I'm gonna look at privacy.
Listen, I don't take disrespect from people, but I have a number still, me call you.
I just want him to get fired. They can come back tomorrow, come look for me.
I don't really want to get in no problem, you know.
But I have to come go shop for them, man. I have to go away for him come out here.
Alright, do that, man. Me link you.
Whatever we do, it have to be secretive. Because you know, I have a wife here and I have different things that are complicated going on in this house. So, but what I'm telling you, it's like you look, I'll treat you just like you look. Find the things in life. You know, we go to the finest place in the world, you know what I mean? To match up to your beauty.
You can get a number.
Put your number in. Yeah, save it as Zazie. If you want to put sugar front tight, put the sugar front tight.
Thanks, girl. I'm thirsty.
I want him there talk to you about.
No, not just school business.
You, school business.
Alright, ready.
What you do now?
Girl, is it true like when you put my belly and now I can't get me yard? So look at her.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, you want to go? But yeah.
Just call where you go.
Yeah, later.
Bye.
Yo!
You know what I'm saying?
You're not coming further.
That's how I like deal with your wife, you know. At night, no, boss, I'm going to go home. Yeah, go home.
Go on home.
We need a bus here.
Huh?
Bus here.
Yo, tell Mike if you carry home. If you drive bus, carry home. That's night.
What kind of world we live in?
Yo, you may have to come in early morning because some things to finish here.
If I wait.
Where they all day?
You know, say my sister I got to look for?
How she do?
You know, for them story already. All kind of problem. When I know this or that, they ever have problem.
Alright, well, today I go and finish up some good transaction. So go and put on the outfit. We're gonna have a wild night tonight. You're gonna be a graduate. You know what I mean? You want to be a college graduate. We're gonna have a wild night tonight. I'm gonna bring out the camera. We're gonna get some champagne and we have a celebration. Alright?
Okay, baby.
Get some rest. We're gonna finish up this paperwork.
Okay.
Yeah, what? Why you come link me right now? Cause I have a mission for you. I want some update from the assignment them where I did it from when. Right now, I'm over my house. Alright. Who that? Who is that?
Malcolm.
Come in. Yeah, well, I see that, sir. Alright, now. The people that let me tell you, let me see a picture of them when you say have. Alright, the more I just pay close attention to them. every little move them make, that's what me know. But apart from that now, me have a different assignment. Me don't know what I go on differently, but I don't think everything is going on straight with my wife. She give me some little question and action. So apart from that assignment, me I give you the assignment. That's if we go to court because of the prenups and we sign.
Like evidence.
Yeah man, so that's the assignment. Just watch the movie and she make. I'm just feature she do something. She give me some little question and action. So apart from that assignment, me I give you the assignment upon it now. I want to know every move she make. I want you to catch it on either video or footage. That means if me divorce her, she not get half what me have.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Burn it down.
Where say this your birthday?
Me I think say I want one neighboring or one tattoo. Only so.
Our neighboring.
Yeah.
Say nothing
Or
about
I double it. But I vex. Cause I don't know if daddy would have want my habit.
I know them man. No?
I mean I turned 16. I mean can't even get one little piercing.
Yeah, girl, I understand. I see when I'm so 16, at the same time I get this pierce, so.
And my sweet 16 come up and me can get one to pierce and me can get a piercing. Me I do it, girl.
Get it time and still.
I want it, girl. I want it. I just want piercing. It doesn't look good from there.
But anyway, so you can't stay, so nothing.
Girl, I still don't know what else I want for my birthday.
Otherwise, I'm just piercing and doing tattooing. Anything will I go nowhere or nothing.
Girl, I know one hotel. I don't know if my father and I'm going to hotel. You asking for me? I'm going to more listen to you than me. Because I love that one. Your friend them nicer than you know. So, but I don't worry about the money part, but there's some permission. I'm saying, you just hard to let me go. People go out of shop, you have to let the guard van watch me. Yeah.
I'm going to say me and you are go to. Yeah, hurry up. I'm really with the pierce.
Little girl, may I go somewhere? You know where everything there already. You can look in my fridge for anything you want. You can take it and eat or drink anything. Look in my cupboard for anything you need. If you want to cook, right? If you need anything else, you can ask me before me leave.
Miss Candy, you look very nice. Where are you going?
Me and you on the size. And me tell you 1,000,000 times that don't ask me nothing. And that's my personal business. What you question me for?
Miss Candy. But I would do one whole heap of nice.
Why you say Miss Candy so much time for?
Because you look nice.
You know when you want something, I want.
But then I really nothing.
And nothing.
I just stay.
Speak your mind. What you want?
Well, since me I turned 16, soon, my dad asked if I could have asked daddy if the two of we could have go out.
Me fi ask your papa fi make you go out pan road. Then you breathe and come in your back. Me no problem. You must be bright. You pass bright. Or you want to out of order?
And me and I go.
You and she?
Candy, I don't know, so I'm a responsible person. And none of what you talk about that can't go under my face, so.
Okay. So I breathe you want come breathe pan me and your father. And I me go in a problem to send you little girl out pan road with bigger than you. Bright, you're bright.
So I can't like that woman then wrong.
Girl, don't worry about she. And I make sure break your meds. Because they say when she go and make sure go and pay her food just get spice. So, I will convince your father to make you go. And you know our husband and wife thing. We talk it out and say yeah, make you go.
So how you going to do that?
Night.
Good night.
Night.
Yeah, I'm going to do.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm not planning something, I'm not planning now.
Daddy, you are the best of the best. You are the number one. You know that.
Come on to the man, because there's something, yeah, me know.
And to me, you are very special. But right now, I have something to ask you. Very, very special. You can go out there with her when from birthday.
You're a child. You don't get 16 yet. When you're 18, you can go every hotel you want. Hotel I bill every day, so stop worrying about that. Not the time for that. Alright? You're my daughter and I protect you. I'm doing the right thing.
Protect me from one building.
You're rough, but I'm gonna ask him for you. You might get like a chance this time. So I'm going to talk to him and come back out.
Come here.
Girl, just ease it to a girl.
So how you are going to do that?
Just watch and see. Him say yes. You feel happy right now, him say yes.
Just so?
So yo Mario, you figure out how you get to go in the house.
You know, like me there, I think about.
The yard boy love from me now. Can buy him some and distract him.
When you distract him, you probably could get one empty barrel, get some clothes and put in there, and go in there like I ship myself go there to her.
I know what I do. I know one barrel there. That's when I talk to him and come back here. Joe, I go and bridging friend for a long time,
Listen me. How me and your friend, after you stand me what here, can man come in the boss here, they know that me I only joke right in here. Who you do that? Eh? How when your family no can no man come here?
Sorry about that. That not again. No, someone look at money me collect. I say me come buy a juice.
And now me and you are bridging. You see when it comes to money, you can't friend me.
Buy yourself a drink.
Alright, watch you out for me now. Yo, hear me I do. Me I go hold a 5 and drink. What?
Tasha!
Yeah!
Hold on, me a call you.
How?
Now what's up, I say, you know, come look here.
Yeah, sweat.
You see what me have to do for you? Eh? Right now, I put them at me now.
Oh, so this area for coming. See my come.
Barrel come to it.
Yeah, but not for me. So, Mummy send it down for me, and she send nobody enough for me until Daddy come. So, I just want you help me lift it up, go inside.
Your mother send money for me lift barrel. Remember send enough for we. After you. Hold this bad boy. How much I have?
Dash that.
Hold on the youth. Hold this heavy stuff. Roll, come. Down.
Watch out, look how you drop the
Get out of
something.
your laugh before you help for the barrel.
Me can't lift it up if you can't lift it up.
Come,
Yo,
bro.
me take hold it by neck.
Well, watch out.
roll,
Take
roll
all the
it back.
time. Just take all the
I'll
time
put it
and
in,
lift
no
it
matter.
up. Come some of them in there. And things in there can broke. You can.
Oh, God.
Come here and sit, yo. I call it.
Change. I close with the next one.
Alright, ready.
Yeah, man. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, you know what I mean? You have seen what's going on in my house, you know what I mean? Maybe you know more than what I go on. It's just the intro and the first part, I'd say. There's plenty more parts to come, different episodes. But I'm going to try to ensure that you get an hour, at least an hour out of every episode, you know what I mean? Because I know the short thing don't really work. Yeah, and a lot of things going on in my country now, and I don't have control over it, you know what I mean? So I feel it for the people who is feeling it, you know what I mean? So, but this is the time when it's going to see what have we learned, you know what I mean? So I hope you learn that united we stand, divided we fall. This is some Bob Marley song, well, a meditation, you know what I mean? How long shall I kill a prophet? I can go so far night, but we're not going to do that right now, but we are still try to entertain you guys in this trial time that's going on worldwide. We are all facing the same judgment, you know what I mean? And what can we do? You know what I mean? So, you know, if you elaborate about that, I mean to tell you that I feel it for you people who's going through it. I feel it for myself, I feel it for my friends, I feel it for my family who is going through this tragic time in history. But we shall overcome this time, and good shall overcome evil at all times. So thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe and like and share and tell it to your friends, you know what I mean? Because we're doing this just to entertain you through these trial times and upliftment as usual. So hope you were entertained, hope you take your mind off a certain thing that's going on, you know what I mean? Condolences to all who lose a loved one, you know what I mean? And let's stay safe and stay strong, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. But
Ready?
yeah, big up all of the sponsors them, big up all of the producers them, big up all of my friends them, all of my family, big up everybody, big up all of the members them, you know what I mean? So as we go along, yeah man, so bike them and make some sound. They're haggling on the road here now, they're riding back and making shots, you know what I mean? So what they all it have still, you know what I mean? So this is Jamaica, land I love, you know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground.
How much going on?
Hold on, don't see a team in there. Yeah, man, somebody has 21 straight.
You are.
He heavy.
You pull up, sir. Lift, you pull up, sir.
No, roll the same way. foolish.
You can go on outside now. Thanks.
Alright, me soon.
Get some wipe off your face, man.
So now your man. Your man, you know, you wipe off your face.
Night, madam.
Where in the house?
You know, say your daughter get a barrel from front from your mother and me help her with the feeling. Alright, come on, eh? Alright. Lock the door then.
Oh, go on.
Good night.
You say your mother send barrel come.
Yeah, she sent them some new clothes and cologne and something.
But me not understand how your mother do things behind them back. That's why me there for left your mother, you know. Because now I do some things. Oh, things are come. And me don't know the things are come. But anyway. Are you security, daddy?
No, daddy, me not security.
What things in the theater?
Yes, 200 pounds left me. In left me too.
I bet you say no night bar to me. Or my wife. Because I know that she don't like me no woman, you know. Because she take me away from your mother. Hold this. Hold it. See all them blasted sitting here. And them look a figure sitting here. Watch out. Look on all this here. And them are sitting here, your family are saying come. Look. Them are sitting here, your mother are saying come for you. Right? Them are sitting here, jazz and. I don't know, can I hear this here?
Daddy, I just want, I don't know, I'm bundle here.
Yo, why? You see? If me don't say nobody, because girl fit on Rasta, you know. Rasta girl fit on, you know. Girl have cream out here, but me don't give a damn, you know.
She have brought her out from early.
Hey, you're lucky, you know? You're lucky bad. Anyway. So, I don't know what time them I go sleep, but when them go sleep, they can come sleep with me. here what going now. So for the first time I ever like sleep with a man, and the first time I sleep with you, so I'm not gonna do nothing tonight.
Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, another thing, your shirt won't change. I don't want to say nothing.
Yeah, be so shy. Oh, you're like on the road, you're so shy.
You finish?
Alright, I want you go up on the road today, you know. And carry that girl with you. Because you look a cousin when you have come here, look like him a cameraman come here. Or the yard boy, after run the boy at the yard. You know, and she have gone like she prime. But me and her, she have to straighten up herself. I don't want she breathe before time in there, you know. So you watch her and counsel and talk to her. Good. And make sure you know the right way. Me I go up at the land because I sell the youth 1 acre and them are in fridge and I go over. But me and them are courthouse if they go over too much on the land. I carry severe up there today. And then we go severe and figure it out. Because I run and joke with people, you know. A courthouse. You know what I mean? So you go do differently?
Yes.
Oh, you sweat so?
I don't know, I just feel hot.
But drink some water, man.
I drink some water and I just bathe.
Come now, you get some sweat in you. After I sweat last night, do you still have sweat now? Do you go start by gym, you know? Because I now overwork myself. You know what I mean?
I'm not kill her, man. I take time with her.
Yeah, man, the place is so can't start rubbing the wall and start paint, you know. The man will carry window them come. You know what I mean? But anyway, say I do some good work. What more you do now? Might take the day off, you know.
Yes, boss.
Buy yourself something on the road. That's not nothing for you to pay.
Alright,
Buy
boss.
yourself something on the road.
Alright, later, boss.
Go through. Alright?
Yeah, man, I'm there.
You know, after you about that to me,
Yeah.
I want your father, my wife, and my daughter go on the road. Alright?
Alright.
I'll give you all the money in your pocket and tell nobody say. I mean, yeah, after you look money like you buy everything for yourself and nice for yourself.
Yeah, man.
So I spend some time up on the road, because you're not always every day around. Because I get a look at you. You alright though?
Yeah, man, I'm alright.
I like the thing you do for more day, you know. Sorry about the icky them pain. Your man knows something with that yard.
No,
There's the
sir.
ants bite you.
Yeah.
Alright. Boy, I don't know, boy. You think you have to go in about. You have to just leave that thing there to the
Yeah,
night.
man.
And just 9 nights, whichever somewhere. Come put wife here, but I'm going to check for later.
Alright.
Alright?
Yeah.
Sure, bro.
Me and my stepdaughter is going out. You can wear your oven too. And we're not going to eat no man. So,
Alright, so we just have to finish up, cover it up, and then ready.
alright, check me outside.
Alright, man.
Let me find out.
You know, so you're going to live long. We just say a call, you know, babes. Yeah, man, everybody gone on the road, you know what I mean? So I'm alone there home. It's good if you can come over now, you know what I mean?
I'm just on my way or something.
Alright, we're, yeah, no underwear, yeah?
I'm not doing nothing.
That's what Zazie like, alright, we're going forward.
Yeah, I'm reach lang na. Madawat pa na veranda, yeah.
Good? Can't wait though. Kagana master bedroom. You see, if I never married her, I didn't just married you.
But you know how I think, brother. So, like official I know one thing. I can't buy more car. I want land. I want 15 acre land.
Alright, talking about land, right now, we have 100 acre land. We sell out some height, so you can come look on it and give you a piece of it.
Yeah, more 50 acre more, so I'm good for it to one cow.
I don't know about 50, but we can give maybe one 10 acre.
I don't want so much more than 30. I want so a little bit more than 30. 30, you can get 30.
Let me tell you one
I
thing.
want to do some farming, funny, agriculture, me are going now.
But hear me say now, I'm going to give you 10 for yourself and give you 20 you can use for the time being. You know what I mean? But as we go along, a bag of things can go on. But what performance you go on a while ago?
I want to house for 20 then.
When the time is right.
When the time is right.
Yeah. Know yourself, man. Know yourself about nothing, man. I got you, you know. You have everything for you. You know yourself. I'm your Zazie. So I know what's good for you and I'm going to do the best for you. You do the best for me, I'm going to do the best for you. Loyalty.
And you know, say I go back to college, right?
Yeah, man.
And you know, say college fee expensive.
What am I?
Zazie.
Yes, I know we're born up.
Sugar Zazie.
So, as a bounce for me, sugar jack off for you, know yourself.
But me already honey.
Know yourself.
You come like a one warrior and you stuff like. So there's some money in that country?
Yeah, man, you know, so $100 a night. Try to be more still, you know. So my account and say that's not more. Let me go through, man. How that?
Okay. Honey? Why are you taking so long to open the door? Okay.
Shouldn't just asleep and I'm a nightmare, man. It was a while ago. Want to get something to eat?
Yes, inside the bag.
Alright. Right now the whole of the couch, I sweat on the sheet. Wet up and everything. make you come and clean up the room.
Okay.
Look, take some out of the fridge for me. At up for me. I don't want to buy it. Overnight food, I like the way I cook. When she's gone, at up for
So
me.
you want overnight food to eat?
Yeah, right now, yeah. At up
So that not gonna make you drop asleep?
No, go on.
Okay, alright then.
Alright, so. You get everything?
Yeah, but I have to show you when me here one day here.
Feel like man breathe, you know. Can't take care of it, you know. Take money, you know.
Nah.
But you have to do this test first.
You never know you want this test so late.
I have my proof already, so I good. So if you have for yourself, you know what I mean? Nothing wrong. Well, come approach that next week, yeah. When you have more time. Don't want something around.
Must your wife be here.
No, I'm going to batch one or something.
You?
You think me never here in our room? Eh?
What you talking about?
Glory be to the Most High, I give thanks to life, you know what I mean? You have seen what's going on in my house, you know what I mean? Maybe you know more than what I go on. It's just the intro and the first part I tell. There's plenty more parts to come, different episodes. But I'm going to try to ensure that you get an hour, at least an hour out of every episode, you know what I mean? Because I know the short thing don't really work. Yeah, and a lot of things going on in my country now, and I don't have control over it, you know what I mean? So I feel it for the people who is feeling it, you know what I mean? So, but this is the time when it's going to see what have we learned, you know what I mean? So, I hope you learn that united we stand, divided we fall. This is some Bob Marley song, well, a meditation, you know what I mean? How long shall I kill a prophet? I can go so far night, but we're not going to do that right now, but we are still trying to entertain you guys in this trial time that's going on worldwide. We are all facing the same judgment, you know what I mean? And what can we do? You know what I mean? So, you know, if you elaborate about that, I mean to tell that I feel it for you people who's going through it. I feel it for myself, I feel it for my friends, I feel it for my family who is going through this tragic time in history. But we shall overcome this time, and good shall overcome evil at all times. So thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe and like and share and tell it to your friends, you know what I mean, because we're doing this just to entertain you through these trial times and upliftment as usual. So hope you were entertained, hope you take your mind off a certain thing that's going on, you know what I mean. Condolences to all who lose a loved one, you know what I mean. And let's stay safe and stay strong, you know what I mean. Big up all of the producers them, big up all of my friends them, all of my family, big up everybody, big up all of the members them, you know what I mean. So as we go along, yeah man, so bike them and make some sound. They're haggling on the road here now, they're riding back and making shots, you know what I mean. So what they will it have still, you know what I mean. So this is Jamaica, land I love, you know what I mean. Burn it down to the ground.